And as you go through this transition, the truth has to come out, because we're less and less separated from each other until you reach the fifth dimension, where all is one. Most people experience this after death. Everybody's heard everything's happening simultaneously after you die. It's hard to even explain, but you're one with all. People have the experience of dying in the hospital and then knowing how their surgeon feels, knowing what the people are talking about in the waiting room, and feeling what they feel. These experiences are fifth dimensional experiences. There is a transition that we are going from the third to the fourth and finally to the fifth. Most of us won't make it there until after passing, but some of us do.